In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of signing up on the DeFi-U website and purchasing a split license. Go to the DeFi-U website. In the top right corner, you will find the Sign Up button. Click on it. The Sign Up window in the Smart Pass system will open. This is where the sign-up process takes place. Fill in all the required fields: email, password, password confirmation, first name, last name, and your country of residence. After filling out these fields, you need to agree to the terms of use. Carefully read the terms and check the 3 appropriate boxes on the right side of the screen. Pay attention to the name of the sponsor indicated above the terms of use. If it doesn't match the name of the person who invited you, please request an up-to-date referral link from them. When registering, ensure you provide a valid email address that you have access to. We also recommend writing down your password on paper and storing it securely to avoid losing access to your account. After completing the fields, click Sign Up. If you have followed the steps correctly, a message will appear on the screen confirming your successful registration and instructing you to confirm your email. To confirm your email, go to the mailbox you specified during sign up and locate the email from the Smart team. If you can't find it in your inbox, please check your spam folder. Click on Confirm Email in the message. Congratulations! You have successfully signed up for the Smart Pass. To access the DeFi-U website, click on Go to DeFi-U in the top right corner, click on the Sign In button and log in. The dashboard will open. Scroll down the page to find a list of available licenses in the Split Licenses section. Select the license you need and click Purchase. A window will open prompting you to select a payment method. Choose Ultima. Confirm your agreement with the terms by checking the box and then click Purchase. The next window will display the amount in Ultima and the wallet address to which you should transfer the specified amount. The wallet address will also be available as a QR code, allowing you to complete the transaction using a mobile app. To complete the payment, send the specified amount to the provided wallet address. Please ensure that you send the exact amount shown on the screen. Wait for a payment notification. Now you need to activate the license. To do so, go to the My Licenses section, locate the purchased license, and click Activate. If you wish to view the activation history, navigate to the Activation History tab. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.